Hi everyone, my name is Paul Davis, and during my life as a working guitarist I developed some habits that help me massively in my day-to-day work. Here are 10 things that I actually do or use that will also help you out. And the first one will help out everyone, I'm sure, because does this look vaguely familiar? Hack number 1. You're trying to film yourself playing that lovely lick you just came up with, but your phone seems to think otherwise and just keeps on falling over. With this easy capo trick there's no more falling phones, only very cool Instagram shots of you killing it on a guitar. Simply grab a capo, clamp your phone in and you're ready to go. There's only one downside though. Now you can't play Wonderwall anymore. Moving on, hack number 2 is great for everyone that wants to be a better player, so this is for everyone. The infamous couch practice session could be so much more rewarding with this little trick. We all know we should practice with a metronome more often, and Google makes it easy. Simply type the word metronome in the search bar and voila, a metronome pops up. Remember kids, there's never a reason not to practice. Hack number 3. We all know the guitar has pickups. Capturing the vibrations of the strings and turn it into what we all know and love, the sound of a guitar. But a great way to spice it up is by adding some other sounds to it. Simply use your phone, put it against the guitar pickup, and there we are. Every soundtrack your life needs at your fingertips. Brilliant for a moody looping session. Every soundtrack your life needs at your fingertips. Brilliant for a moody looping session. Also great if you want to hear something played on your phone a little louder during band rehearsal. Hack number 4 is about, well, let me ask you a question first. Did you know this pocket was made for pocket watches? False. Obviously is made for guitarists that want to make sure they always have a pick at hand when it's time for action. So when the time comes, you're ready. Talking about rocking, hack number 5. Ever afraid of your guitar falling on the ground when you're doing your signature guitar moves? Don't want to buy expensive strap locks? Check this out. Head out to the local grocery store and get yourself one of the, two of these. Pop it open and you'll find a rubber seal under the cap. Peel it off, throw it on the strap button. And to put it to the test so you don't have to, I'll try the most epic rock move of all time.
Hey guys, try this. Don't try this at home. Strap locks, baby.
And after you rocked out, you can easily enjoy the rest of your beer. Only if you're above legal drinking age. Women should not drink alcoholic beverage during pregnancy because of the risk of birth defects. Consumption of alcoholic beverage impairs your ability to drive a car or operate machinery and may cause health problems. Underneath one of my recent videos, someone commented, I don't have money for strings. Hack 6 and the following recipe might help you. Fill a pan with water and add some salt. Oh, no, wait, that's the wrong recipe. Instead of the salt, add some old strings. And look at these. These are really nasty old strings. Let it gently simmer for a few minutes. Take them out, give them a quick dry and put them back on the guitar. Gently bend the tips if necessary. And voila! Fresh sounds for free. The following tip is just nuts. I'm sorry, it is for nuts. Hack number 7. Ever experienced some tuning issues or your guitar going out of tune after some good old bending? Did you know you can most likely fix this easily with a pencil? The graphite of the pencil actually works perfectly as a lubricant. So apply some under the strings, in the string slots. Make sure the pencil is nice and pointy. Do it for all strings, but it may affect the color of your nut, since that's basically what a pencil does. And now your strings should move freely through the nut, preventing them from getting caught up. P.S. This only works with regular pencils, not with colored ones. Okay, let someone else explain hack number 8.
Alright, this is a lifesaver for every gigging musician. I remember when I started gigging, already being nervous for the show, but being extra riled up because I was afraid I had forgotten something. Well, that doesn't happen anymore with this
an extra special magic case. Mine got pretty dinged up through the years. It even misses one ledge. It just fell off. So throw everything you need in there and boom, no more worries. I've got pliers, I've got capos, a mic for a guitar cap, cables, in-ear monitors, an extra strap, a one-spot power supply and a daisy chain, a power cable, some strings, more cables, a USB charger, a pen, you never know. Hey, there's the missing ledge. A 9-volt battery, earplugs and some random stuff. It saved my life more than once already, so get yourself one of those cases and be worry-free. Here's hack number 9 to save the day. Feel like my videos are too fast? Or want to transcribe that crazy shred lick? They make it so easy for you. Hop on to your favorite guitar player. Click that settings button, change the speed and you can hear every beautiful detail, that wonderful solo you're trying to figure out. Success guaranteed. Are you tired of winding guitar strings by hand? Well, you should be. Here's hack number 10. I've got an old Birthless Tool lying around that really doesn't work. Let's bring it to the modern times, because doing things manually isn't how we roll in the 21st century. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is simply put the tool in the drill and... no, wait, that's not going to work. Saw off the extension, file and send it smooth. Drill a hole in the middle so it fits right through. Sand it so the glue can grip the plastic. And stick it through and let it dry. Put it in the drill again and now safely unwind all those strings and you can easily remove them. Super handy tool. This was Paul. I'm super glad you watched this video and you would even make me happier if you consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. Cheers!